Hi. I'm Eric, an automotive technician with 15 years of experience. This video is going to explain the meaning of this error code, and show you how to diagnose and fix it. OBD-II Code B009C means there is a fault with the Left Side Restraints Sensor 6, Subfault. This sensor is responsible for detecting impacts and deploying the airbags in the event of a collision. When you encounter this OBD error, the vehicle typically exhibits the following symptoms. 1. Airbag light is on. 2. Airbags may not deploy in a collision. Now we talk about possible causes, and how to diagnose and fix. Loose wiring or connections. Use a multimeter to check for continuity in the wiring and connections to the Left Side Restraint Sensor 6. Look for any loose or damaged wires or connectors. Tighten or repair any loose or damaged wiring and connections. Clear the error code and see if the issue is resolved. Faulty Left Side Restraint Sensor 6. Use a scan tool to check the data from the Left Side Restraint Sensor 6. Look for any irregularities or inconsistencies in the sensor's readings. If the sensor is faulty, it will need to be replaced. Follow the manufacturer's instructions for removing and installing the new sensor. If there are uncertainties, feel free to engage in discussions by leaving a comment. Alternatively, when facing difficulties, it is advisable to seek assistance from a professional auto repair shop and technicians. It is not recommended to handle it independently, especially when uncertain. Thanks for watching.